Hey everybody, I'm Scott. Up there is Uncle Steve. We're with the Knowles Woolsey team at Remax Hallmark Che, and welcome to our newest listing, 41 Coulter Street in the most gorgeous north end of Barrie. Now guys, it is very difficult to break into the real estate market these days, and just as difficult is trying to downsize from your home, put a little money in your pocket and enjoy some maintenance-free living. But today, we got the best of the best for you.
You betcha we do, Scotty. And listen, this location is absolutely fabulous here. On the left of us here, we've got 15.5 acres of gorgeous Sunnidale Park, arguably one of the nicest parks in all of Ontario. On the other side of us here, we've got the Golden Mile, which will give you every possible shopping amenity you can imagine. And in behind us here, we've got a dog walking park and a community garden, perfect for that organic touch.
Let's not forget about amazing highway access. Now let's get inside and have a look. You're gonna absolutely love this layout, guys. Not only do we have a gorgeous open kitchen here, we're just under 1,000 square feet. We got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, lots of storage, in-suite laundry. This is condo living at its finest.
You know, if I'm going to a condo, I need some great outdoor balcony space. We have gorgeous morning sunrises here, a great spot to enjoy that morning coffee. Cheers.
This condo community has an exceptional feel, guys. From the gardens to the landscaping, it's so well maintained here. In addition to that, you got your own private park here for the kids or grandkids. They're gonna absolutely love that. What more could you want?
Absolutely, Scotty. And for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.